Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SendGrid to WordPress for transactional emails step by step clearly. Start by logging into your SendGrid account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the SendGrid website. Once logged in, navigate to the API Keys section in the Settings menu. Click on Create API Key to generate a new key for your WordPress site. Name your API key to easily identify it later. Ensure the key has full access to mail send permissions. Click Create in View to display your new API key. Copy the API key to your clipboard for later use. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section from the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to search for a plugin. In the search bar, type WP Mail SMTP and hit Enter. Locate the WP Mail SMTP plugin from the search results. Click Install now and then activate the plugin once the installation is complete. After activation, find the WP Mail SMTP option in your dashboard. Click on it to begin configuring the settings. In the Mail tab, select SendGrid as your mailer service. A field will appear asking for your SendGrid API key. Paste the API key you copied earlier into this field. Scroll down to configure other settings such as your from email and from name. Ensure these details align with your SendGrid account for seamless integration. Once all settings are complete, scroll to the bottom and click Save Settings. To test the configuration, navigate to the Email Test tab within the WP Mail SMTP plugin. Enter an email address where you want to send a test email. Click on the Send Test Email button to proceed. Check your inbox to confirm receipt of the test email. If you receive the email, congratulations! Your SendGrid is successfully connected to WordPress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.